you. We hope you all enjoy it.
Thank you very much for being here, and we'll see you on Monday. Okay, thank you.